Hello everyone, great to have your company on Kalkine TV. I'm Sage and you're watching the Buzzing Trends. In today's show we'll be looking at the 5 ASX listed stocks to look at amid renewable and clean energy boom. Let's get started now. And the renewable and clean energy stocks are among the most trending stocks in the stock market these days. And for those who do not understand what renewable and clean energy companies are, these companies effectively produce energy to limit greenhouse gas emissions, owing to a shift towards sustainability by moving away from the fossil fuels in the leading economies of the world like Europe, China and the USA. This has boosted the adaptability of renewable and clean energy sources globally. With the urgency to act, building up renewables are empowering everything today from transportation to electricity generation. It wouldn't be wrong to say that the world has understood the importance of renewable and clean energy and has joined hands together to combat greenhouse emissions as one team. And most of the governments across the globe today are supporting renewable and clean energy initiatives by providing subsidies and tax rebates. Another trend I'm sure you must have noticed is how the popularity of electric vehicles has surged in the last 1 year alone, and the best example about the world being ready to make the shift to green energy. So today, Australia holds a significant position in driving this clean energy drive, and as per the Clean Energy Council's findings, Australia has completed 32 renewable energy projects in 2020 and contributed about 28% to the total energy generation, recording an increase of 3.7% over 2019's figures. That said, Tasmania remains the country's renewable energy leader, and the government is targeting over 200% renewable energy by 2040 in Tasmania alone. Now, in the backdrop of this, let's have a look at 5 ASX listed renewables and clean energy stocks that are poised to grow amid the rising demand for renewable and clean energy sources. The first company on our list today is Infratil. New Zealand-based Infratil is an investment holding company. The company owns businesses in the growth sector, including data and connectivity, social infrastructure, airport and renewable energy companies. Infratil intends to provide good returns to its shareholders by investing in sectors that are on the growth trajectory. The company has recently sold around 65% stakes in Tilt Renewables for gross proceeds of 1,984 million Australian dollars. Infratil delivered around 57% return to its shareholders in the last 1 year. The next company on our list today is Mercury NZ, an electric generator and metering provider. Mercury NZ intends to become a leading energy brand in New Zealand. The company generates electricity from renewable sources, including geothermal, wind and hydro. Mercury NZ sells electricity to its customers through its retail brands Mercury and Glowbug. Mercury's New Zealand wing has acquired Tilt Renewables New Zealand operations recently under the deal, and the company has now taken ownership of the New Zealand assets to become one of New Zealand's largest wind power company. Mercury NZ delivered around 34% return to its shareholders in the last 1 year. And we've reached the time for a very short break, but please stay tuned with me on Kalkine TV as I'll be back with more companies operating in the renewable and clean energy space. Hi, I'm Sage, and get ready to take the crypto ride with me on Kalkine TV. Watch the Crypto Buzz every Tuesday and join the excitement at Kalkine TV. From Bitcoins to NFTs to Dogecoin and DeFi, we have updates about everything around these digital currencies. Understand the investing rationale and the risks involved in the space with me, Sage, on Crypto Buzz. Keep watching Kalkine TV. Welcome back. I'm Sage and you're watching the Buzzing Trends by Kalkine TV. We are discussing the ASX listed companies operating in the renewable and clean energy space. The next company on the radar today is Environmental Group. Headquartered in Victoria, Australia, Environmental Group is committed to environmental protection through its 4 business units: air quality improvement, waste to energy production, enhancing water quality and reducing carbon footprints. The company has strong management that is driving the organic growth of the company through strategic acquisitions. And EGL Water, the company's division that reduces water pollution, recently commenced a PFAS separation and concentration trials along with its partner Victoria University. Perfluoroalkyl and polyfluoroalkyl substances, that is PFAS, are persistent organic contaminants of concern to human and environmental health. And the division is also undertaking a commercial trial with Reclaim Waste at their Environment Protection Authority licensed facility. Environmental Group delivered around 233% return to its shareholders in the last 1 year. And looking at the next company on the list, it's Spark Infrastructure. Headquartered in Sydney, Australia, Spark Infrastructure is a utility company, and the company invests in utility infrastructure and operates an electricity network across Australia. Spark Infrastructure serves more than 5 million homes and businesses. The utility company is also involved in transitioning the country's electricity systems. Spark Infrastructure is also invested in the Bowman Solar Farm located in New South Wales. The company's total revenue during the June ending quarter half yearly was 121 million Australian dollars, along with a profit of 93.9 million Australian dollars. And Spark Infrastructure delivered around 26% return to its shareholders in the last 1 year. And the last company on our list today is Empower Group. The specialist renewable energy company Empower Group is a Sydney, Australia-based company that offers on-grid and off-grid power solutions. The company has a wide business portfolio, including microgrid business, battery storage and renewables, and the company has completed a 5-megawatt solar farm project in South Australia, while 2 5-megawatt projects reached full commercial operation during the last financial year. Empower has also acquired more than 10 new renewable sites in South Australia, New South Wales and Victoria in the last year, giving it an edge over its competitors. Empower Group delivered around 245% return to its shareholders in the last 1 year. And hopefully that's been of good use to you. It's time to wrap up today's show now, but I hope you found that you will be staying tuned to Kalkine TV for more of the trending news and updates that we will provide to you live for the rest of the day. And this is Sage signing off.